Guys, so today I'm going to do DA Stereo Madness DA normal mode. So yeah, well, I keep dying. That's a bad thing. Okay. Yes. Oh no, I didn't do it. Okay. What happened next? Okay. Yup. Yes. No. I mean no. Okay. That's. Please just give me win. Just win once, or I mean win. Not once, forever. I'm so new. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm improving. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Socket. Okay, aeroplane time. Okay. So, okay. Seriously. I still accepted, and that's what I get. A bad thing. Okay, so I don't care. And yeah, I'm just going to play like, screw this. Screw that. Fuck you. Fuck it all. This maybe not work. I don't know. Yeah, so hard. Okay. So damn hard. So hard. I don't know what to do. It's just so black, and I don't know what to do. It's still the same way, black. And still, okay. Yes, I'm doing it. Yeah, oh, I'm not doing it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh no, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, no, yes, I mean yes. Okay, yes. Boys, okay, well, that's it for today, guys. Cause, 3 minutes, that's what I wanted. Okay, so, peace, guys. Bye.